Hi, this is Michael Hickman here at Keller Williams Realty Community Partners. I am with Mark Barth of Forever Exteriors, and I want to talk to you about metal valleys. I'm taking a picture I'll show you on the one on my roof now, which is being replaced, but this is a metal valley. Mark, why do you install it the way you install it, and why do you put it in?
Well, this is actually a very high grade. It's a thick gauge valley metal. What we're going to do is we're going to do more of an open face, so there's more visual valley, and this is actually specified as a W valley. But what we're going to do is we're going to do something a little differently, something that I've learned in the Midwest because of the changing temperatures. We're actually going to cut these small little clips out of the valley itself. So we're just going to use this as just a piece to make these little pieces. And then instead of actually driving nails through the valley, which is supposed to be the protector of the valley.
Yeah, nails through stuff that's going to rain on is usually not the good idea.
It's not good at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these clips, and we're just going to flip them over, and we're going to use the hem so they lock in place. And then we're going to nail here. And what that's going to do is we're going to put this about every 2 foot. What that's going to do is that's going to keep this valley straight to the roof line. So when it changes in temperature, you won't see the valleys kind of hike up a little bit. It's just a little trick that we do differently.
Thanks, Mark.
Yeah, anytime.
Our first video together.
Yeah,
of
many more to come.
Many more to come. Hey folks, this is a new metal valley installed here. If you want roofing or siding done, Mark's got some great materials at Forever Exteriors. And if you want to talk about buy, sell, build, or invest in real estate, then you can certainly give me a ring. I'd love to be able to help you out. And one of the cool things is I find the best vendors to work with, and I'm proud to work with Forever Exteriors on my own personal home. Thanks.